Dreams are most vivid and immersive during the REM's rapid eye movement stage of sleep, a phase characterized by heightened brain activity resembling wakefulness. During this stage, the brain processes emotions, consolidates memories, and creates rich, often surreal narratives. However, while the mind is active, the body experiences a temporary paralysis known as REM atonia. This natural mechanism prevents us from physically acting out our dreams, protecting us from potential injury. The disconnect between the brain's commands and the body's immobility is why, in dreams, attempts to run or move often feel sluggish or impossible. REM sleep typically begins about 90 minutes after falling asleep and recurs multiple times throughout the night, with each cycle lasting longer as the night progresses. The brain's motor cortex sends signals to initiate movement, but the brainstem blocks these signals from reaching the muscles, creating the sensation of being trapped or powerless in a dream. This phenomenon can be frustrating, especially during nightmares where escape feels urgent. Understanding the science behind REM atonia helps demystify these experiences, highlighting the brain's delicate balance between activation and inhibition during sleep. Recognizing this biological process is the first step toward addressing the discomfort it may cause. The sensation of being unable to run or move in dreams often stems from deeper psychological factors. Stress and anxiety, whether from daily life or unresolved emotional conflicts, can manifest in dreams as physical paralysis or helplessness. When the mind is overwhelmed, the subconscious may amplify these feelings, creating scenarios where escape or movement feels impossible. This phenomenon is closely tied to how the brain processes emotions during sleep, particularly in the REM stage, where emotional regulation and memory consolidation occur. Dream interpretation suggests that these immobilizing experiences may reflect real-life feelings of being stuck or powerless. For instance, someone facing a high-pressure situation at work might dream of running in place or being chased but unable to move. Mental health plays a significant role, as chronic stress or anxiety disorders can intensify these dreams, making them more frequent or distressing. Understanding the connection between waking emotions and dream content can help individuals address underlying issues, potentially reducing the frequency of such dreams. Techniques like journaling or therapy may provide insight into these patterns, offering a pathway to emotional resolution and more restful sleep. Dreams can often feel like uncontrollable experiences, especially when you find yourself unable to move or run despite your efforts. However, techniques like lucid dreaming can help you reclaim control. Lucid dreaming occurs when you become aware that you're dreaming while still asleep, allowing you to influence the dream's narrative. One effective method to achieve this is through reality checks. Simple habits like trying to push a finger through your palm or checking a clock twice to see if time changes inconsistently. These checks train your mind to question reality, increasing the likelihood of realizing you're in a dream. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and visualization, also play a crucial role. By cultivating awareness during waking hours, you can carry that clarity into your dreams. For example, regularly visualizing yourself becoming lucid or practicing movement control in a dream can make it easier to do so when the opportunity arises. Additionally, keeping a dream journal helps identify recurring patterns or triggers, making it easier to recognize when you're dreaming. Over time, these techniques can transform frustrating dream experiences into empowering ones, where you can move freely and even alter the dream environment to your liking. The key is consistency and patience, as mastering lucid dreaming takes practice.